Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today we will be discussing the independent practice solutions to the writing algebraic expressions lesson. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as necessary to help you solve the problems. Let's dive on in. Independent practice number 1. Rewrite the following statements as algebraic expressions. A. The quotient of 16 and a number r. B. The difference of a number I and 27. Now is a good time to pause the video to work on this problem if you haven't done so already. Let's start with part A. The quotient of 16 and a number r. Quotient of means division, so we can write the expression 16 divided by r, or 16 over r. Next, let's look at part B. The difference of a number I and 27. Difference of indicates subtraction, so we can write the expression I minus 27. Independent practice problem number 2. Rewrite the following statements as algebraic expressions. A. The product of a number q and 3. B. 26 decreased by a number h. Now is a good time to pause the video to work on this problem if you haven't done so already. For part A, the key phrase is product of. Product of means multiplication, so we can write the expression q times 3 or 3q. This represents the phrase the product of a number q and 3. For part B, the key word is decreased. Decreased by indicates subtraction, so we can write the expression 26 minus h. This represents the phrase 26 decreased by a number h. Independent practice problem number 3. Rewrite the statement as an algebraic expression. The quotient of 45 and a number s. Part B. Evaluate the expression when s equals 9. Part C. Evaluate the expression when s equals 15. Now is a good time to pause the video to work on this problem if you haven't done so already. The phrase quotient of in part A indicates that we should write a division expression. So we have the expression 45 divided by s. For part B, we need to evaluate this expression when s equals 9. 45 divided by s becomes 45 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. So 45 divided by s equals 5 when s equals 9. For part C, we will evaluate the expression when s equals 15. So 45 divided by s becomes 45 divided by 15, which equals 3. So 45 divided by s equals 3 when s equals 15. Independent practice problem number 4. Raheem is charging his smartphone. His smartphone has a charge of 12% before he plugs it in. The battery gains 3% of its charge every minute that he leaves it plugged in. Part A. Write an expression that can be used to determine the battery's charge after m minutes. Part B. Find the charge in Raheem's phone after 14 minutes of charging. Part C. Find the charge in the battery after 25 minutes of charging. Now is a good time to pause this video to work on this problem if you haven't done so already. We will start by writing our expression. The expression 12 plus 3m, or 12 plus 3 times m, represents the charge in Raheem's phone after m minutes of charging. After 14 minutes, 12 plus 3 times m becomes 12 plus 3 times 14. 3 times 14 equals 42, so the expression becomes 12 plus 42, which equals 54. Raheem's phone will have 54% charge in the battery after 14 minutes of charging. For part C, we need to evaluate our expression after 25 minutes of charging. 12 plus 3m becomes 12 plus 3 times 25, which equals 12 plus 75. This equals 87. Raheem's phone will have 87% charge in the battery after 25 minutes of charging. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as many times as necessary until you understand the process. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.